The FBI and the Lumberton Police Department continue to ask the public for help with an ongoing investigation in Lumberton, North Carolina. 6 years ago, 3 ladies were found dead within a 4-block radius. The first 2 victims were discovered on April 18th, 2017. The third victim was found on June 3rd, 2017. FBI Special Agent Glenn explains more about the victims.
Our first victim, Christina Bennett, was known as Kristen by her family. She was born in New York but had lived in Lumberton for more than 10 years. Her body was found inside a house on Peachtree Street. Rhonda Jones was found dead outside in close proximity to that same home. She was born in Lumberton and went to local public schools. 6 weeks later, the third victim, Megan Oxendine, was found dead outside a house on East 8th Street. Megan was also born and raised in Lumberton. Each of these women are missed and mourned a great deal by their families. They are beloved daughters and sisters, and each of them is also a mother. We talk to their families on a regular basis and hope we will have information to help them get closure one day.
Detectives, special agents, and other law enforcement officers have conducted more than 500 interviews, followed hundreds of tips, and developed many leads during this investigation. We know their families are frustrated and people are confused that we don't know exactly how they died.
Their bodies were too badly decomposed to determine a cause of death. It is important for people to understand a medical examiner must be able to testify in court to their findings in an autopsy. That means they have the science or forensics to prove what they put into their autopsy report.
While an autopsy can provide leads or evidence in a death investigation, an undetermined cause of death doesn't mean we won't find out what happened to these women. We continue to follow a number of investigative leads, but we also need help from the community.
It's so heartbreaking to know these women were basically disposed of and discarded. We will not allow whoever is responsible to get away with that. Obviously, someone placed these women the way they were found. It must be weighing on them. The community is tight-knit and looks out for each other. We believe someone has information that can help us solve these cases.
You may think what you know is not important. Please call us and let us determine whether your information is helpful to our case. The FBI is offering a reward of up to $40,000. Christina, Rhonda, and Megan deserve justice. Call FBI Charlotte at 704-672-6100 or the Lumberton Police Department at 910-671-3845 or submit a tip online at tips.fbi.gov.